Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your GoTo Meeting account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Office 365 calendar to your GoTo Meeting account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Office 365 calendar to GoTo anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing webinars or online trainings, you know that managing your schedule is really important. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your GoTo Meeting account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my GoTo Meetings account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your GoTo Meeting account to your Office 365 calendar, you're going to click on your initials here on the top right. Once you click there, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on Settings. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see this menu here on the left. Make sure you've clicked on Calendar. Once you click on Calendar, you're going to see the Office 365 calendar logo, and click on the Connect button here to the right of it. Connect Microsoft Office 365 is going to ask you to sign into your calendar. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Okay, once you log into your Office 365, it's going to ask you to approve these permissions. So just scroll to the bottom and then click on Accept. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. And as you can see, my Office 365 calendar is now connected to my GoTo Meeting. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Office 365 calendar by Microsoft to your GoTo Meeting account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.